Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2014 Toro Dingo TX525 narrow track or standard track. Unit has 777 hours on it. Starts, runs, and works very, very good. We've just put brand new tracks on. Did a full service, cleaned it up, detailed it. Very good running, working machine. There's no oil leaks, anything of that nature that we have found anywhere. We're going to go ahead and start here underneath the hood to take a complete around this machine. So, the hood itself on the outside is very good condition. There's one crack here, typical of a Toro Dingo. Underneath the hood, I don't know why Toro ever did this. They injection molded these, or whatever you want to call it, where they plastic welded your hood bracket on there, and actually right here they do the same exact thing. Now here it's okay, there's a little bit of glue there, but this has come loose. I was going to take and bolt it fast, but I didn't want somebody then saying that we did something wrong. So if somebody would want that done, we'll gladly do it. If not, I'm just going to sell it the way it is. It doesn't hurt anything. The hood doesn't fly up. It doesn't do anything like that. It does latch, but I just want everybody to know that. So go ahead and lay the hood back. Unit's powered by a Kubota D902 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There is no abnormal noise, smoke, or blow by. We did change oil, air filters, fuel filter, hydraulic. Everything has been changed. We did run Rotella 15W40 engine oil in it. That's what we put in everything. Starts, runs good. Typical Toro, which I'll start here and show you. These muffler shields rattle. Last one I just sold was an 08. So I actually sold two 08s within the past 2 weeks. Toro, I don't know why they've done it. They used rivets on these, and you can see what happens there. The aluminum heat shield moves around. That's just a typical noise that they make. I want everybody to know that. Coming up front, standard auxiliary hydraulics, power any type of attachments, standard Toro Dingo mini skid steer quick attach. I will give the customer choice on buckets of a 36-inch or a 41. I have put a 41-inch on there. I like a little bigger bucket on the loader. If a customer wants a 36 or 34, we'll go ahead and put that on so that he has that also, okay? Again, undercarriage, brand new tracks, both sides. Summit Supply brand tracks is what we like to run. Put those just on yesterday. We did have the tracks off, inspected the rollers and undercarriage and idlers. Everything there is good. No drive motor leaks, anything of that nature. All the sheet metal is in place for the side engine shields and stuff. So here for load controls, 777.8 hours. Fuel gauge works. This will be your glow plugs, some idiot lights, throttle, park brake, joystick loader control with detent, lockout, forward, reverse, left, right, auxiliary hydraulic control for running your attachments. Everything is there and works the way it's supposed to. It does have your back kickstand here in case you ever try to get pinned against a wall. It will kick it out of gear. Down here is your rear access panel. We're going to go ahead and fire this thing up. We're going to run it around and see if it does everything it's supposed to do. We'll go over and push with it in the dirt pile for you. starts, runs, and works very good. It is a 2014 Kubota diesel, 777 hours with brand new tracks. If you have any questions, check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply 88. Sorry about the wind, it never fails. I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.